Breaking story we're following. A vote made an hour ago means higher health insurance costs for 800,000 state workers, retirees, and their family members. WRAL state government reporter Will Doran joins us live from the state treasurer's office in Raleigh. Will, leaders of the state health plan voted to increase premiums and deductibles for most plan holders.
That's right. Just under or over half an hour ago, this vote passed unanimously to raise these premiums. They've created a sliding scale, so exactly how much those premiums increase will depend on your salary. There's a whole lot of details here, as you can see. We've got more details online. But in general, it's the highest paid state employees who are going to be hit the hardest. If you're making over $90,000 a year, premiums could triple. But people making under $50,000 a year will only be paying about $10 more a month, depending on their plan.
A lot of people there, Will. I mean, this is clearly going to be significant for them. So what are you hearing from state employees?
They are angry about this. A lot of folks showed up this morning, had harsh words for the board saying, look, we are not getting a raise from the state legislature right now. This is basically a pay cut for us. We heard from folks from the organizations that represent state employees, teachers. One teacher showed up and said that the board should have voted against these increases because that would have added political pressure to the legislature to fund benefits instead of paying for tax cuts. However, that's not what happened. State Treasurer Brad Briner said that for years premiums were frozen when they shouldn't have been, and they need to start going up again now to keep up with the rising costs in healthcare.
And so are there any, winners with this new system for the state health plan, or?
Well, if you ask Briner, the treasurer, he says everyone wins because the state health plan was facing a $500 million shortfall. It was going to run out of money as soon as next year without taking action. And so he says this is going to help keep it in existence for everyone on the plan. But as far as individual state workers, there are a few winners in these details here. We know that people who have young children who they insure will actually be saving money in some cases or seeing their rates remain about flat. Retirees also won't be seeing their premiums go up. So there are a few bright spots in here.
We know there's a lot of information with this. You've been updating this information online, Will. Thank you. And folks, if you go to WRAL.com, you can find more details on this.